So I just wanted to jump on here real quick and say thank you for a great semester. You have all worked so hard this semester, and I know that you've done a lot of work. I do hope that you are walking away with a lot more knowledge, awareness, resources that you can use in your career. And I think that the fact that we had so many different disciplines in our group this semester really made that course that much better because we could see it from different points of view. I thought your discussion groups were really great. I kind of kept myself out of that because I think that we learn a lot from our peers and their opinions and thoughts. But I was reading along all of them, and so I just thought you guys did a really nice job. I hope that you got at least most of the questions answered about autism. I think I saw in a couple of discussion groups is that, it is really important to stay up to date. And this course will change, of course, as we go along because research on autism is always changing. We are finding out new things all the time. So my suggestion is to kind of keep on top of it, kind of look at professional organizations, websites, news websites that maybe are reputable. Remember, talk about making sure that we have the good source, just to kind of keep ourselves up to date on autism and what's going on in the field. If you have questions ever along the way, don't hesitate to contact me. I'll be here, and I'm happy to help in any way. So have a great rest of your semester. Have a great summer. And for those of you graduating, congratulations. And I hope to see some of you guys soon. All right, thanks.